Welcome to Access a Trader, the #1 community for those who are committed to taking control of their trading in order to achieve success, profitability, and longevity. Thank you for joining us. Here's Dan Shapiro to help you find your edge, master your process, and own your future.
Hey guys, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another edition of the AccessATrader.com nightly wrap-up show. It is 2 o'clock. Usually I won't do a recording at 2 o'clock, but the gentleman who edits the videos is traveling tonight. So either we're uploading the video normal time or we're uploading the video at 2 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes you got to make tough choices. So let's talk about it, guys. If you could be so kind, take a moment out, take a second out, support the channel, click a like on the video. I am told to do so. I don't know why, but it apparently helps, right? I'm 50, not 15. I have no idea what this stuff means. But again, guys, if you could take a moment out, support the channel, click a like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. So we start the day up 3 days above the 50-day moving average. From the macro point of view, that's obviously a good thing as of right now. And obviously, there's going to be a lot of news by the time I'm recording this video at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And by the time you guys watch it, there's going to be a million news events, a million different price changes. But again, we got to make some tough choices. So as of right now, we're day 3 above the 50-day moving average. Like I said, that's obviously a good thing. We are proactively resting. If you guys remember, for the last 2 weeks, we're up north of 11% on the NASDAQ 100, right? It's kind of a big deal. So the idea that we have to go up every single day once we reclaim a major level is obviously not the case. So an organic rest day is warranted. It's necessary. It's taking a deep breath. That's exactly what's happening today. As of right now, at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you have the Dow up 100 points. You have the S&P down 11, and the NASDAQ, again, up north of 11% in the last 2 weeks, only down 40 points. And that's a very, very big deal. Again, obviously, I don't know when you guys will be watching this video, but as of right now, it's super duper proactive. The longer we build the base above the 50-day moving average, the higher probability we'll get our next leg higher. And you can see here, like we talked about on the weekend video, we are sitting below the 200-day moving average, right? That is going to be the next area of price discovery that the bulls need to reclaim. As you can see here, last week's high was 491 on the QQQs. That's going to need to get the job done for the bulls. Any close above 491, we then start tearing banks, basically going back to the 325 highs of 493.60s. And ultimately, if this confirms, we got a shot all the way up to 498, 499, which is this last supply zone before we start stretching out. So that's kind of a big deal. And when you look at the leaders, right, when you look at the leaders that had really, really big moves, they're holding up very, very well. I mean, extremely well here. You have NVIDIA, right? You have NVIDIA that had a really great move last week. Again, down 18 cents in the day, folks. That's a big, big deal. Again, this is called rest. This is called structure. This is called taking a breath. That's a big deal. Again, I am definitely watching NVIDIA in the next couple of days. They continue to come for the weekly 15s. We saw some 17s as well. So that's a name that is structurally holding. Look at AMD. AMD had a beautiful move today. Really, really nice move. Again, congratulations to all you guys who caught that pivot, reclaim back the 50-day moving average. They are reporting tomorrow. We got some 105s, 106s that are coming in weeklies ahead of earnings. PLTR, right? PLTR reports tonight after the close. This level here, I might as well give you the level. I mean, the stock is going to be either way above or way below. But if it starts confirming this 125.41 level, right? 125.41 is the February 19 highs. Man, this leader, and again, this, say what you want, this is a leader right now. It'll push through, and if it can get above that 25.40s level, will start its next leg up. There was some pretty big option flow that came into the stock, especially this afternoon. We saw some 135 weeklies come in. We saw some June 165 weeklies come in. So by the time you watch this video, again, I have no idea where it's going to be, but by the time you watch this video, we'll see where PLTR's earnings responses will be. Apple, definitely, trade a day for me. Apple, we shorted today below the earnings lows. Stock got all the way down to 198. We saw some pretty aggressive put buying coming in for the next 2 weeks. We saw some 195s. We saw some 190s come in. Right now, I'm holding just the runner from that 202 level. Right now, it's around $200. Depending how it closes, I want to see if I want to hold it or not. But as of right now, pretty good move to the downside on Apple. Look at Google, right? Look at Google. Google is holding up very, very well. It is very, very close to confirming earnings highs, something we definitely want to keep an eye on in the next couple of days. Starts reclaiming back earnings highs. You could see some larger levels starting to be attacked. We did see some short-term 170s come in this morning, so definitely something to keep track of. Let me give you guys a couple of other names that look pretty good. Obviously, Meta's holding up. Microsoft is holding up. They had really, really good quarters. Look at DXCM, right? We talked about DXCM over the weekend. Again, another inside day. You had this massive, massive volume coming in on Friday, traded 10 million shares, and today, down 60 cents on 2 million shares. So you're talking about 20% of the volume today to the downside, as you can call it, the downside, versus a massive, massive expansion channel. Again, this is something we want to watch over the next couple of days. Look at Dell, right? Dell Computers. Again, look how tight this channel is. It's very, very close to getting above the 64-day moving average as well. So put a kind of a ribbon on it. Again, I don't want to speak for 9 hours kind of reiterating the same thing, but as of right now, the market is holding up very, very well. Even Tesla, right? Even Tesla, again, it's still stuck in the channel. I will say this much. All afternoon, all morning, they're still coming for the 295, the 300 calls. If I had to speculate, right, and I never trade on speculation or guessing or anticipating, but if I had to guess, somebody knows something, right? And that's the obvious. Somebody knows something. I'm betting it's either some sort of China tariff news, some sort of India tariff news, but something so substantial that they're betting 20, 25 points out of the money. We saw today 300 weeklies come in. We saw some 302 50 weeklies come in. Either they're the dumbest human beings on the planet, or they obviously are waiting for some sort of news event to happen. Again, we shall see, said the blind man. We shall see. So the market, as of right now, NASDAQ only down 40 points after an 11% plus a move in the last 2 weeks. Organic rest, necessary rest to kind of take the deep breath. I am still watching a lot of names. And also this week, guys, we really should watch Amazon. It's getting a little bit hit today, down 3. But Amazon got rejected on the 50-day moving average on Friday. It's a name we want to watch. It's still, it's still 5-6 points away, but it's a name we still want to watch, because if it could reclaim back the 50-day moving average, we all know the importance of it, then it could start spreading its wings as well. So good structural day for the bulls, good structural pivots for the good guys. And the most important thing is we made it another day. Guys, God bless everybody. Hope everybody has a great remaining of your day. Hopefully everybody's happy and healthy and in one piece. Guys, good night. Have a great night. I'll speak to you tomorrow.